We did it! We integrated the tiny human brains we grow in jars into robots. Something that literally every science fiction series said will end terribly. Really, really terribly. A lab out of UC San Diego, the Maturi Lab, decided to let a little brain organoid control a robot spider in an effort to let it start to integrate with its environment. Initially, they found that unstimulated brain organoids fired around 3,000 times per minute, but when they stimulated it and allowed it to learn the environment, it ended up firing 300,000 times. This is a lot more similar to what we see in newborn babies. We already know that the brain organoids, even without stimulation, still end up giving delta brainwaves, which is the kind of brainwaves you see in a preterm baby or somebody who's sleeping. The brain organoids can form every structure in the human brain during development. One of the large issues with it is integrating it with a circulatory system, which we might be able to do inside of robots. Maybe one day my AI robot can actually love me. But in other horrifying dystopian news, we're actually able to use the genomes that we found from Neanderthals to make Neanderthal brain organoids to help us try and figure out how they differed from us or how similar they were. Which leads me to an ethical question. We are allowed to use human brain organoids right now. They seem to have the developmental brain waves of a preterm baby. However, when we're integrating them into robots, giving them material that they can actually interact with seems to get them beyond that developmental stage, at least in what we're seeing right now. Would it be more ethical to use Neanderthal brain organoids?